Hey, what's up? Busy day, busy day, busy day. It's Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. And in this video, this is going to be a quick video. I have another promissory note right here in front of me. Has too many names on it for me to be able to show it on camera, but I wanted to kind of go over what I see because I've been asking for proof from people. Let me get my screen a little bit bigger so I can see it. So on this, it says certified negotiable instrument security. And they put their state and they put code title 11, commercial code article 3, negotiable instrument. And then they have some numbers right there. And they're saying that this is trader is secure. And then they put the code, the state's code that it's in, and it says commercial code, and it has some other information. It says promissory note issued, and then it had the state, and it has the little stamp, that people talk about. You got to have that stamp on there. And then it also has I'm talking about a regular stamp, and then it has another stamp on it, and it has the amount on there, a little over $40,000. They're using this instrument to pay for something. So I guess I'm going to be waiting for the update to see if this actual instrument works. Other things that they have on here, they have signature medallion. I don't know. It says NYSE medallion with a stamp and a signature. Not sure if that's someone who is just able to put that signature. Not sure how that's connected, because it's in another state from where this was supposed to be used. Has the individual's terms and conditions. It has this certifies that, and then the person's name, and then that this instrument is used to pay for the product that this individual is supposed to be buying. It is a car, by the way. Second one or third one that I've gotten that showed a car. It has a notary stamp for their state, both sides, official signature to notary, the date, has the county, has the individual with their signature, the person who produced the instrument. I wish I could show this to you, but I don't. It has so many names on it, and I don't want to connect people, but I do want to share, because people are starting to send me some proof. Now, this person did not prove that they got the vehicle, but they're showing the document that they're going to use to either pay off the vehicle or to pay for the vehicle. I guess they're going to walk in and they're supposed to accept this for payment. That's what the individual is telling me. So we'll see. If you ask me, on the document, does not look like there's too much to it. It's just like a document with letters. With the information on there. Again, from the top, certified negotiable instrument security, has the state, title 11, commercial code article 3, negotiable instruments, trader, insecure. This is hard to read. I wish they would have gave me a better copy of this. It looks like it was a color copy, but it was it just doesn't look too clear. Then it said the state that is from title 11, commercial code 11-3-104. And then it goes into some of the things about the exchange of promissory notes. Then it says the promissory note was issued at, and then it has the state, and then it has the amount. It has the regular stamp, and then it has another stamp on there, and it has negotiable instrument subject to claim and defenses, and then it repeated the state, and then code 11, commercial code, then 11.3-306, if that's right with 306. Certifies that, and then the individual's name, and that this is a promise to pay the company. Has the terms in there. Again, very hard to read, but it has the terms of the promissory note. And you see if it has anything in here. Stating some procedures, I guess, that on the way that it's supposed to be used, the promissory note. Then there's a signature guaranteed, medallion guaranteed, Fidelity Brokerage Services, LLC. I mean, whatever that is, a stamp, signature, individual's name, signature, repeat for the state, and then it has the notary public, stamp, and signature. So we'll have to see how this works. I mean, there's another one. Someone sent me a sample of a 1099. I don't want to show it, but I will tell you exactly what they had put in those spots, or what they're telling you to put in those spots, not what they put in there. Because reason why I don't want to show it is I don't want to ruin anything that could happen for someone. If it works, I want the person to report and prove to me that it works, so I can share it with you. Same with the 1099 A. If that ends up working, I want to show it without revealing the person's name or that information or the company that they worked with that took the 1099, because I don't want to, I guess, mess it up for anybody. All right. Just wanted to share that with you. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. Make sure you like this video, post it, and share. If you need help with your credit, remember, links are always below my videos. And until next time, just want to share this info with you.